Johnson Sakaja ochopo nyim komiti mar od bura mar Senate mochung'ne weche mag omenda kendo koro ida dhoge wi kaka kaonti ma Nairobi ne otiyo kod omenda iko omenda ma 220 kod achiel kod 220 komiti bende oketo Sakaja orindi maliet e wi gimomiyo osebedo ka obadhore ne chopo nyime ka Sakaja to koni thuolo mane dwaro ni ochopi komiti no ne wuodhe mag tich. Wawinjane kaka weche chalo kinde ma intiere nyim komiti no.
And would actually give us, a better foundation in dealing with the disasters. You find that it goes against Mwongozo proposals in terms of having a very top-heavy council chaired by the deputy governor. It doesn't align with the current structures in the county. You find the chief officer is not mentioned there, yet the chief officer, disaster management, is the one who really is the core fulcrum of coordination. It only looks at fires. Mainly. Nairobi has more disasters. If you look at what we're dealing with currently, it's not just fires. It is floods, and there are many different types of disasters. So, Chair, the process and even the cabinet memo that came to us on the repeal of the law, which is what now the cabinet returned and said, instead of just repealing the law, create the new legal framework you're proposing, because, Chair, there's a doctrine of implied repeal when you bring a new law that then takes over the law that was there before. And so we're working on a new legislative framework that is similar to what I had proposed in the Senate together with the Governor Mutula, that even then had been poached by national government and presented through the leader of majority, Governor, what's his name? Honorable Ishungwa, that is before Parliament. And so we really need to review this. Chair, if you look at what's happening today in Nairobi, we're dealing with a huge crisis. We have 10 camps. We have 31 camps. We have 10 camps currently. We've lost close to 20 people in the city. Different sectors are expending their budgets. And you know that funds today in all of these camps, people are having lunch and dinner prepared from the county by dish in a county. That is not in the disaster budget. That is a sector budget within wellness and nutrition. We are repairing 17 bridges that were washed away. These bridges are in different areas. From Madare, there's a bridge that connects Mukuru Kwanjenga and Lunga Lunga, and children study in the other side. There's a bridge in Mbiu where I was, and I've gone to all these places, Chair, connecting Viwandani, and there's Kiambu and Jerusalem. There's so many bridges that we're repairing. The budget to sort out those bridges ideally should come from that sector, not necessarily from disaster. So we feel that one size-fits-all approach doesn't work. And so the reason that law has not been implemented since 2015 is that it's actually unimplementable. I wish earlier somebody would...
Order, Governor. I'm looking at the Act. What is the problem with the proposed council? Let's start from there. Because the council is chaired by the governor.
The deputy governor.
The council shall consist of the deputy governor, who shall be the chairperson, and then there are various CCs, and then there is the county commissioner, the commandant of police, the Kenya Red Cross, representatives of the public, county director for disaster preparedness, etc., with a view to bringing a multi-agency approach towards disaster planning, coordination, and response. What is essentially wrong with that?
Actually, without even calling it a council, we've been implementing that multi-agency approach. In fact, a few weeks or so ago, I had the regional commander, the county commissioner, and all national government administration officers, the regional police commander, and all his people until OCSs and our sub-county structures. They've already been brought together, and we work in that manner. Last week, I was able also...
Ramogi mano kanyo Governor County ma Nairobi Johnson Sakaja intiere nyim komiti mar od Senate mochung'ne weche mag omenda. Da dhoge wi weche kaka county ma Nairobi osebedo katiyo kod omenda ne chenro mopogore opogore. Hik omenda mag 2020 kod achiel, hik omenda mag 2021 kod achiel, 2022 kod ariyo. Bende chien kanyo Johnson Sakaja ma bende osegwel kendo nogo fwai mar rem chopo e nyim komiti no, oduoko penjo mopogore opogore. Penjo bende wagolo kanyo koduoke ni kutenore kod kaka piny owacho kaonti mano ma Nairobi ma osebedo ka chwalo chenro mag kedo kod weche mag koth mapek machwe to kod oula. Winjo kanyo wacho ni gisebedo ka gichwalo chenro kendo osebedo gi romo mopogore opogore kod telo mopogore opogore mantiere kaonti ma Nairobi. Lipot motenore kod Wanyakwara Mgajwang' saa 1 mar odhiambo ibiro bedo kod kaka ne obet. Ka wadhi nyime, komiti